Bawat cakes at delicacy na lumalabas sa kanilang oven, hindi lang lasa ang hatid, kundi kwento ng pangarap na inabot sa pamamagitan ng disiplina at dedikasyon. Kaya silipin natin ang inspiring story ng isang business owner dito sa Negosyo Tayo.
Hi, Miss Irene. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Alright, Miss Irene, paano ka ba nagsimula sa mundo ng pagnenegosyo?
This one is a hobby. Hobby lang. As in, I bake for my family, for my kids, yon. Tapos, every time na makikita ng mga office mate ko, sasabihin nila, oh, may fallback ka na. May fallback ka na. Tapos, they will order. Ayun, doon nag-start yung sa maliit na order ng mga kakilala. We specialize in custom cakes and cupcakes for all occasions. This is my bouquet cupcake. So those are cupcakes with floral decoration. This is primarily for Mother's Day. Actually, hindi lang siya Mother's Day. In any occasions, pwede siya. And then aside from that, since nga everything is evolving, we have gourmet sardines and also gourmet tinapa.
Miss Irene, do you think that it's really important also in doing a business that the business that you're doing is also your passion?
Yes. Okay lang na hindi mo siya passion, basta kabisado mo. Alam mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo at saka gusto mo siya.
Meron bang mga challenges along the way?
Madami. Kasi since nung nag-start ako ng business, I'm a solopreneur, so I do everything. Meron lang akong taga-hugas. So, ang pinaka-challenge dyan is yung mag-iisip ka na mag-upscale ka. I-increase yung business, pero hindi mo ma-accommodate lahat because you lack of manpower. So, ang thinking ko nun, paano pag nag-add ako, kaya ko ba siyang pasweldohin? On the long run, kailangan mong gawin in order for you to grow, to grow the business that you want, na gusto mo yung growth nila.
But I have so much respect for bakers, you know, because I tried it myself. Ang hirap, isang cupcake pa lang nagagawa ko, hirap na ako. Meron ka na bang any unforgettable moment with any of your customer that you would like to share with us? Or unforgettable kwento about your business?
I've also delivered some cakes to some celebrities and some politicians. My favorite part in doing this kasi you've become a part of their memories. Especially yung mga milestone wedding cakes, 80th birthday cakes. They will never forget the cake that they have.
Para ma-reach mo yun, ano ba yung key ingredient or secret to that success?
Ako kasi hands-on ako when it comes to decorating and baking, and also on how to deal with your clients pre and during deliveries. Every client kailangan mong alagaan for them to return to you for their future celebration.
Alright, Miss Irene, bakit importanteng magnegosyo ang bawat mamamayang Pilipino?
Gusto natin na may sarili tayong oras para sa pamilya natin. And also, kontrolado natin kung ano yung ins and outs when it comes to finances and everything. And para makatulong tayo sa ibang tao din.
Hindi mo kailangan makipag-unahan. Ang importante ay hindi ka humihinto. Yan po ang ibinahagi sa ating aral ng business owner na si Miss Irene Dalupan. Mga kanegosyo, another business story at business tips na naman ang ibabahagi namin sa inyo sa susunod nating pagkikita. Kaya naman tara, negosyo tayo!